Hello students, today we will learn about networking concepts. Okay students, let us find out about the networking terminology. Internet. The Internet is a global wide area network that connects computer systems across the world. It provides a variety of information and communication facilities. It consists of interconnected networks which communicate via standardized communication protocols. Intranet. Intranet refers to a computer network within an organization used to share files and resources of the organization securely. The private information of an organization cannot be accessed by any outside person as it is protected by firewall. For example, the employees of an airlines are interlinked with each other through the intranet so that they can access and modify booking and flight data. But the same information cannot be accessed by an outsider. Bandwidth. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be transmitted in a fixed amount of time. The bandwidth is usually expressed in bits per second (bps) or bytes per second, or in higher units like kilobytes per second, kbps and megabytes per second, mbps. Internet Service Provider (ISP). These are the organizations that provide internet connection to users. The facility is provided to the customers in exchange for a fee. Some common ISPs providing internet service in India are BSNL, Airtel, Reliance, Sifi, etc. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages containing images, videos, or other digital media. A website is identified by a same domain name, which is the address of the website. These pages are written in hypertext markup language (HTML) and can be accessed via Internet. A website is hosted on a server on the World Wide Web. Each site is owned and managed by an individual, company, or organization. Web portal. Conventionally, a portal means a gateway or entrance. In the context of World Wide Web, a portal can be defined as a gateway to a wide range of internet services, such as email, search engines, e-commerce, etc. A web portal is also a website but with huge breadth of offerings. However, unlike a website, it does not contain information on any topic. Rather, it suggests web pages to the user to find the desired information. Nowadays, most of the search engines are acting as web portals to present information from diverse sources in a unified way, like Yahoo, MSN, etc. Web page. A web page is written using HTML and is stored on a web server. It is a digital page which may contain text, hyperlinked videos, audios, images, tables, etc. Each web page is identified by a unique web address called Uniform Resource Locator (URL). Home page. It is the first page of a website. It contains the main information about a website along with the links to other parts of the website. Link. In data communication, a link is a line or channel that connects two devices. Data is transmitted between the connected devices through this channel. Hyperlink. A hyperlink is an image, audio, video, graphics, or text that connects one web page to another web page or to another section within the same page. Hypertext. Hypertext is the text with a special feature of linking to other documents or web pages. It can be easily identified on a web page as it appears with an underline and is usually in blue color. Hypermedia. It is a hypertext that includes text, graphics, sound, or video. Uniform Resource Locator (URL). The Uniform Resource Locator denotes the unique address of a web page or a website. To open a web page, its URL is entered in the address bar of a web browser. An example of a website URL is http://www.wikipedia.com. IP address, number addressing system. An IP address consists of a unique set of numbers, which is provided to each computer by IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force. It is a 32-bit numeric address containing a set of 4 numbers which varies from 0 to 225 and is separated by periods. It can also be used to access the web page instead of typing the domain name. An example of IP address is 205.198.0.1. Domain naming system. Domain name is a unique name given to each website or resource connected to the internet. Domain names are easier to remember than IP addresses since name has strong correlation with the website. For example, the domain name for Google search engine is google.co.in and for Wikipedia it is wikipedia.org. The domain name system DNS is the system in which domain names are translated into Internet Protocol IP addresses. Since the Internet works only with IP addresses, it serves as a directory for the web by locating and addressing devices in a worldwide network. A domain name consists of 2 parts. One is the name of the domain and other is the web extension. The name of the domain comes before the dot symbol and the extension comes after it. The web extension tells the kind of organization and the country it belongs to.